Ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly attract suitors while others struggle to find that special spark? Well, my friends, there's more to it than just good looks and charm. Today, we're cracking the code of love with 4 powerful psychological techniques that can make anyone chase you without resorting to manipulation or mind games. These techniques are not about tricking someone into love. They're about understanding the human brain's wiring for attraction and using that knowledge to genuinely become more desirable. So buckle up, because we're about to take your love life from May to magnetic. The art of authenticity. Forget the filters and facades. The first secret to attracting love is embracing your true self. People are drawn to authenticity like moths to a flame. When you're comfortable in your own skin, flaws and all, it exudes a confidence that's simply irresistible. Think about it. Would you rather be with someone who's trying to be someone they're not, or someone who's genuine and open? The choice is clear. So ditch the pretense, celebrate your quirks, and let your true colors shine. Remember, the right person will love you for who you are, not who you think you should be. The power of mystery. We all love a little bit of mystery, right? When someone leaves you wanting more, it sparks curiosity and keeps the flame of attraction burning. Now, this doesn't mean playing games or being aloof. It's about creating an aura of intrigue by not revealing everything all at once. Share your passions, but keep some things close to your chest. Let your date discover your hidden talents and dreams bit by bit. This creates a sense of anticipation and makes them even more eager to get to know the real you. Remember, a closed book is less interesting than one with intriguing chapters waiting to be explored. The Reciprocity Rule. Humans are social creatures, and we have a natural tendency to reciprocate the behavior of others. So if you want someone to chase you, show them that you're interested in them too. This doesn't mean smothering them with attention, but rather sending out subtle signals that you're open to connection. Make eye contact, smile, initiate conversations, and show genuine interest in their life. This simple act of reciprocation can trigger a powerful psychological response, making them feel even more drawn to you. Remember, a little goes a long way, so be playful, flirtatious, and let them know you're enjoying their company. The confidence catalyst. Confidence is like kryptonite to self-doubt. When you believe in yourself, it radiates outwards and becomes intoxicating to others. But what if you're not naturally confident? Don't worry, my friend. Confidence is a skill that can be cultivated. Focus on your strengths, celebrate your achievements, and surround yourself with people who uplift you. Fake it till you make it, folks. Stand tall, make eye contact, and speak with conviction. Even if you don't feel confident on the inside, projecting it outwards can work wonders. Remember, confidence is attractive because it whispers, "I'm worth knowing."